Sometimes students don't need more tools, they need fewer distractions. Let's see how Immersive Reader in Kami Companion makes that possible. With Kami Companion, Immersive Reader is built right into the toolbar. From your browser, select the Kami extension and Show Companion. You'll see an open book, which is the Immersive Reader icon. Here's a kid-friendly article and website about Egypt, but there is a lot of distraction on the page. With the Immersive Reader button, I can clear away that distraction so I can focus on reading. From the Immersive Reader, you also have some options for tech preferences such as text size, spacing, font, and themes. I can go deeper with grammar by turning on the parts of speech feature, and I can go even more into my reading preferences with line focus, a picture dictionary, and translation in more than 70 languages. Sometimes you just need a little focus, and Immersive Reader and the Companion toolbar can help your students with that.